Hey guys, guess what? We found a little development right here and we're gonna go search it out. So let's go. We're not gonna test. We're not gonna go to this house because we've already been to it. So yeah, we're not gonna go to this house. So we're gonna go to the other one. Yay. And remember to watch my 2-minute drifting video in the snow, in the cold, in the rain. I mean, not in the rain, just the snow. Oh, so they're closing it up. Someone found out about my video. Someone found out. So, yeah, guys. It looks like someone found out about my video. So, guess what? That's code for not good. Look, I'm stepping in the snow with my crappy shoes. Crappy shoes. Look at all the snow, guys. I know it seems like a far away on the camera. We're actually, like, mad close. Oh, so they closed it. They closed it. Uh-oh, guys. This is a giant uh-oh. Because it's locked and closed. This was not closed to begin with. This was not closed to begin with. Uh-oh. I'm assuming they are fixing things. I don't know, guys. They're actually condemning these places, but I don't know what to tell you. Ha ha ha, it's so open. Here we going, guys? How come I feel so much shorter? Weird. There's an old TV right there. Over there. Yeah. Somebody's locking this place up. So, I don't know, guys. You guys want to go in? Huh. No, I'll just show you guys around and make another video of the inside. So, this is around the house. The power's obviously been shut off. This is ice. Nope. Water. Oh. That's the inside. Can't really see it. Because it's Philippine. Close the blinds. Yeah, this house is ready to go. And sorry, I'm making this video kind of fast, guys. It's just that's the side of the house, and you guys already know the back of the house. So, yeah, that's outside of this lonely abandoned house right here, guys. I'm actually gonna step back and actually see how big it is. We're gonna step back to over here. Mom, I'm vlogging. But what do you guys think of this? It's awesome. This house is, you can tell, a little, or more than, outdated. So, yeah. I'm just holding my camera tightly because I bought 2 iPhones. I was like, I'll use this one for vlogging and use this one for work stuff. So, might as well. So, yeah, I got my crappy Nikes on. They actually came with my feet pretty warm. I'm impressed, Nike. You can make shoes for people that don't want to wear socks and people don't want to keep their feet warm. So, congrats to you. And you guys already know the drill over here. And this is the Mini that we drifted in the snow with. Oh my god, it's cold. I don't want to go to the other house, but I kind of want to. I'm just going to see if it's locked. And if it's locked, at least I got a good little walk around of the house. And stuff like that. And I also didn't bring gloves. I'm like, I'm stupid. I'm stupid because I forgot gloves. Huh, some release. A stump. Nope, still unlocked. See? This house is very outdated. It's very cool, just very outdated. So, yeah. Is someone coming in here? Ow, my knee. I forgot I can't run. Like, oh yeah, I forgot I can't run. I swore I saw someone come in here.